Hi, my name is Linda. Growing up, my family's go-to comfort food was a hearty and delicious chicken noodle soup. This beloved soup holds a special place in my heart as it was a dish my grandmother used to make for us on chilly winter days, filling our home with the inviting aroma of simmering herbs and savory chicken broth. Share personal stories or anecdotes about why this soup is special in your heart or your family's culinary history. I will provide a step-by-step recipe for the iconic and beloved chicken and sweet corn soup. I will highlight the importance of ingredient selection and cooking techniques for creating a flavorful and nutritious dish. Now we have to prepare the ingredients. A large chicken breast fillet approximately 250 g. Finely chopped. 1 teaspoon salt. 1-2 teaspoon white pepper. 2 cups 500 g fresh, frozen or canned sweet corn kernels. 3 cups 750 milliliters chicken stock. I spring onion shallot, chopped. 8 baby spinach leaves, rinsed. 2 tablespoons corn flour. 2 teaspoons light soy sauce. 2 tablespoons thickened cream. For coriander sprigs, to garnish. After you have done the ingredients, now we can start cooking. Now we will start cooking. Number 1. Season chicken with salt and pepper. Number 2. Place the corn in a food processor and use the pulse control to chop it coarsely. Number 3. Bring the chicken stock to the boil in a medium saucepan. Add the chicken and simmer for 2-3 minutes. Add the corn, spring onion, and spinach leaves and simmer briefly. Number 4. Combine the corn flour and 2 tablespoons of cold water and stir into the soup until it thickens. Stir in the soy sauce and cream, heat briefly. Ladle the soup into bowls, garnish with coriander and serve. Did you know? Sweet corn kernels are used in several Asian desserts, even ice cream. Try stirring cooked corn, diced sweet potato or yam, and chopped water chestnuts into sweetened coconut milk and pour over crushed ice. This refreshing Chinese Malaysian dessert is called bubur cha cha. Now we're looking at substitutes. You can use cup 100 g sliced cooked asparagus or cup 75 g cooked green peas to replace the baby spinach leaves. Health Watch, you can reduce the fat level of this soup by omitting the thickened cream. The soup will still be quite thick and creamy. Cook's tips: if you are using canned sweet corn kernels for this recipe, it is important to drain the kernels before placing them in the food processor. Serving suggestions: this is a good warming soup to serve as a quick winter snack or as the perfect start to a dinner party. It can be served with a Chinese meal, a curry, or even a roast dinner. Garnished with croutons fried in garlic butter, it is even more delicious. Wines and drinks, for a crisp and refreshing wine to accompany this creamy soup, choose an unwooted Chardonnay or a Riesling. Jasmine tea is also highly recommended. I hope this recipe brings you as much joy and comfort as it has brought me and my family over the years. Enjoy this versatile and beloved chicken noodle soup with loved ones, knowing that each spoonful is filled with warmth and love. My mentor Dickie is teaching how you can craft a detailed and mouth-watering recipe for the beloved and versatile soup, including step-by-step instructions on how to prepare and cook each ingredient. Cooking your specialty at your home for a business online. For need more information, contact Dickie at dickielim@gmail.com. Website, https://plrsalesfunnel.com.